Hello guys. So we made slime in our last video, and we promised you guys that we were gonna need it, and yeah. So I'm gonna need each color for you guys.
I'm gonna need
because some
too.
of them are thicker and some of them are just more slimy. Some of them are just normal fluffy slime. So yeah. And I still can't edit my videos, so I can't turn the camera around, but I can just kind of turn the phone, I guess. So here is the blue one. You got blue, purple, orange, lime green and pink.
No, that one looks like a watermelon color, doesn't it?
Not really. Watermelon is darker.
A little bit, but
it's really thick. This one is
that's why I like
really
it.
Thick.
I love thick slime.
Stop it. Okay. Stop it. You don't play with this slime.
It's better.
Okay, there's that one. And then here's a green one. I like this green one the best, the lime green. I think it just turned out the best. And, but Paisley's favorite color is purple, so she's playing with that one. And that one's pretty thick. Raw.
I like thick slime.
This slime is gonna eat the phone now. So you ready? Okay. Okay. Then here's this blue one. I like the blue one too, but not as much as the lime green, because the lime green is just so much, so much more stretchy and,
So is the purple.
And so the last one is...
So is the purple.
No, it's not. It's so thick.
It's stretchy though.
Not really. We called this one hydrangea purple because when we made it yesterday, it was the same color as this, and it still is pretty close. So this is hydrangea. So we just called this hydrangea purple. So that's what we're gonna be selling it as. And yes, we're selling all this slime. We're gonna try anyways. So like half of this would be $1.50. I don't know yet if I'm gonna be selling it on Amazon or if I'm selling it at summer camp or what I'm gonna do, but
I'll have a bag. I'm the littlest, gotta love me.
You're so weird. Oh no 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 no. That one's thick too. So. Oh, all this slime, all of it.
Ew, look how stretchy.
Whoa.
I can make a donut out of this, guys.
You're so weird. So.
Ice cream.
I guess that's gonna end our video, so because we just were gonna need it for you, so I guess this is the end of the video. Bye guys.